The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar essentially is serious areas of strength for super a fundamentally significant way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 74 cents in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo essentially is drifting at $5,281,413 in an all things considered significant way. Nexo for the most part acquired roughly 3.22% inside the in every way that really matters most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious way. 11 November 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these often by and large clarified some things, facts, what in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Nexo, generally is Nexo a very wise interest in a genuinely enormous manner. Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth in a significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the Nexo specialized examination, fundamentally let us generally discuss the essentially current economic situations, which by and large is very critical. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,410,776,640,034. The genuinely complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $65,076,358,619, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially huge manner. Which in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%, further appearance how Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value reduction of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours in an exceptionally significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time period, which generally shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,410,776,640,034, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 2.28 and as of now exchanging at 67 cents, showing how Nexo basically acquired roughly 3.22% inside the in every way that really matters most recent 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions especially show that the market generally is going in a descending heading for exceptionally momentary and in every practical sense, large way. Right now, a genuinely broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 74 cents in a sort of significant manner. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers basically become sort of additional all things considered, dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers for the most part become move kind of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part shows that 11 November 2023. In this video we will walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and essentially attempt to answer these much of the time, truly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Nexo, explicitly is Nexo a wise interest in a huge manner. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The extremely current Nexo cost in a real sense is 74 cents. With an exchanging volume of $5,281,413 in the for the most part beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, Nexo most certainly is up by 3.22% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $416,800,292 United States dollars, which in a real sense is very huge. Nexo Value Examination. Nexo Cost Investigation for 11 November 2023 inside a day-to-day time span certainly made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and outstanding moving pretty normal, EMA, to especially dissect the future development of the Nexo. Showing how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in a descending course for all things considered, present moment, or so they certainly thought. The coin especially is going down as it by and large break under two urgent help levels of 82 cents and 77 cents, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. The market most certainly isn't reasonable for bulls, and by and large bears could especially take Nexo towards the really next help at 73 cents, showing how market examination over the last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,410,776,640,034 in every way that really matters. In opposition to mainstream thinking. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and in every practical sense is attempting to all things considered break out of the nonpartisanship zone, which for the most part is very huge. While Nexo's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty sign for the most part is really conceivable at this reach in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line basically is remaining above of the really signal line after an especially sure hybrid, so the coin fundamentally is going down, as it basically break under two significant help levels of 82 cents and 77 cents, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours. Or so they explicitly thought. Nexo financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram, showing that RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 44 and for the most part is attempting to basically break out of the lack of bias zone, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Nexo market is given indications of being hopeful, and purchasers especially have the truly potential to drive costs of the digital money sort of higher in the especially next most certainly couple of days, showing how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%. Pretty further appearance how Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth, which for the most part is very huge. The cost of